What's up, guys? Let's go ahead and talk about the low cap crypto gems that are on Web3. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so before we start, all of the link of the website that we will be checking out in this video will be in the description of the video. That way, when you do your own research, you can just go ahead and click on it. It will take you directly to their website. So first things first, guys, let's talk about the push protocol. So the push protocol, previously Ethereum push notification service, or EPNS, is actually a decentralized notification protocol that enables any dApps or smart contracts to send platform agnostic, incentivized, and dynamic notifications. So the open communications layers allows any crypto wallet or the front end to tap into the network and get the communication across. So push has powered 17 million decentralized notifications to over 60,000 subscribers, and still counting until present. So powered by push, you have discovered an amazing community of developers integrating push to build a powerful communication stack. So if you click on this one, so you have more information that you could go ahead and explore. Ethereum push notification servers, you have Coindesk, Snapshot, and all this good stuff. There are 25 million notifications sent, so 70,000 plus subscribers already, guys. So 450 plus total push integrations and more than 1 million US dollars in grants given. So that is push. So they're Ethereum, you have Polygon, and they're also in Binance. Push powers communications for over 100 of the world's leading dApps and service providers across DeFi. You have NFTs, you have gaming, dev tools, and more. Push is currently live on Ethereum, you have Polygon, and the Binance chain. So the next one is the Crust network. So this website link will also be in the description of the video, guys. So Crust Network, Web 3.0 storage for the metaverse. Crust Network is a centralized cloud storage provider which was designed to realize our three core values, which is decentralization, you have privacy, and assurance. So Crust technical stack is also capable of supporting data manipulating and computing. So they also have meaningful proof of work. They have guaranteed proof of stake and on-chain storage market. Trusted by industry leaders, you have NFT metadata storage and encrypted IPFS storage. So it is something that has been there already, and I would strongly suggest that you guys do your own research, visit their website, see for yourself if this is something that is viable for you to make an investment on. So that is Crust Network. Next in line is the Big Data Protocol. So the Big Data Protocol is a DeFi protocol to source data from a network of 19,590 professional data providers. You have tokenized data, you have unleash liquidity on data tokens on Uniswap, and then redeem data tokens for data asset. If you click on this one, it shows you this. So liquidity pools. B beta can be earned by staking liquidity provided to the BDP/Ethereum pair, so liquidity pool, and the B alpha ETH pair liquidity pools on the B beta ETH pair liquidity pool. So if you click on this one, it will show you the LP for the APRs. Okay, next, how it works. You have earn BDP by staking in the seed pools. You can also earn B alpha by adding liquidity to BDP ETH LP or B alpha ETH LP as well. So those are the pairs that you could go ahead and check out as well. And then redeem B alpha for data assets. The BDP ecosystem. BDP leverages the data providers and consumers of Amass Insights, the leading platform for alternative data. So you have the numbers here that you could go ahead and check, and their partners in here. You have Orbit, Woo, Tomo Chain. You could go ahead and check on those by clicking on it. So I would also strongly suggest, guys, that you join their social media platforms. That way, when they have like airdrops or giveaways that they're going to be doing in the future, you will definitely be notified. And the fourth web gem that I will be showing to you guys is called Alliance Block. And as you can see here on your screen, so Alliance Block, guys, was founded in 2018 to build seamless gateways between traditional and decentralized finance. So this is a teaser for Alliance Block. There you go. So you can go ahead and check that trailer video, guys. It is a good explanation on what Alliance Block is. So to achieve that, it aims to create the end-to-end infrastructure of solutions, accelerate blockchain builders, and provide interoperable building blocks. And as you can see here, guys, there are a lot of partnerships and collaborations that Alliance Block has. And if you have watched the previous videos that we have created in the channel, it always helps to see that there are, you know, venture capitals, partners, collaborations, and all those good stuff. It always builds some kind of confidence in terms of, you know, the project itself. So go ahead and check them out. Check out all the social media platforms that they have. They have Twitter, they have Telegram, Discord, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Reddit, a lot of different social media platforms that you could go ahead and check out when you do your own research. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, clicking that subscribe, and clicking that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.